Hello friend, my name is Raihanul Islam. I have bought you a special product. Product name Dadan. Product description: created interactive video in second. Want to stand out on video feeds? Good thing Dadan lets you record, edit, transcript and interactive elements all from one platform. This is product video.
What's up, Sumolings? It's Jay from AppSumo, the best place to get insane deals on business software. And today we're looking at Dadan, an all-in-one platform for recording, editing, transcribing, translating, and embedding forms into videos. You've probably got a screen recorder for quick videos, but then you still need separate tools to add captions, translate, and create polls. That's where Dadan comes in. This AI-powered platform packs all the features you need to record, edit, caption, translate, and interact with your audience without juggling multiple subscriptions. The big differentiator for Dadan is that it combines two essential tools in one: a screen recorder and a meeting note taker. And instead of just sharing your recordings, you can actually put them to work. Use your videos to collect feedback, generate leads, and drive new demos. Let's start with video recording. With Dadan, you have three options to record: directly from the app, through the browser, or using the convenient Chrome extension. This means you can capture your screen, webcam, or both with high-quality audio and video. Organizing your recordings is a breeze. Simply create a folder, name it, and save your videos there. You can also upload existing files and request recordings from your team. Plus, you can choose your recording mode, whether you want video only, screen only, or both. Dadan also makes meeting recordings seamless. You can connect your Google Calendar or Outlook, allowing you to schedule and start recordings effortlessly. Once your meeting is over, Dadan automatically transcribes the audio into over 100 languages and generates concise summaries. You can even attach relevant files or links to the video, making it easy to share comprehensive resources. The interactive features of Dadan are game changers. You can embed forms, polls, and quizzes directly into your videos to capture leads and gather valuable feedback. Dadan also lets you create custom CTA buttons to really drive engagement from your viewers. Dadan can even generate quiz questions based on your video content, making it easier than ever to engage your audience. Just customize the fields, decide whether viewers can skip the form, and choose to store directly in Dadan or from any of the 25+ integrations available. Once you've recorded your video, Dadan's online editor allows you to enhance it further. You can add images, stickers, and text to make your content pop. Dadan also lets you trim segments, blur parts of the video for privacy, and zoom in on specific areas to focus viewer attention. Plus, you can control the audio to adjust volume levels or mute specific segments. You can create a public profile URL, allowing you to share select videos and folders with collaborators or clients. Customize your player theme and upload your logo to make it truly yours. Dadan is designed for professionals, whether you're an educator creating interactive lessons or a marketer producing engagement product demos. Its seamless integrations with tools like HubSpot, MailChimp, and Shopify enhance your workflow and ensure your videos reach the right audience. Click buy now to start using Dadan today.
Then create a stunning video with interactive elements like forms, polls, and quiz. Record any kind of video. Record directly through the app, browse, or Chrome extension. Easily edit your video online with the ability to section, blur sensitive information, and add text. Product high quality video for tutorials, presentation, product demos, and more. Streaming your meeting with AI. Drive engagement with interactive video. Work smart with 25+ integration. Then choose the plan that's right for you. Feel secure in your purchase with AppSumo 30 days money back guarantee. License trial 1 $69. License try 2 $149. License trial 3 $329. See that customer are saying. FAQ. Questions. Reviews. Customer reviews. This product link in my description. Dadan products beautiful video create tool. So click here. Thank you.